This is an old locking mechanism we removed from a door today in Tannockside. Customer was having intermittent problems. The door would lock, but unfortunately it was then able to open. We stripped out all the old mechanism, and as you can see here, we supplied and fitted all new keeps, top, middle and bottom. The system we fitted is a Yale Professional secured by design. Here you can see here it has a top hook. It also has a top roller. It has a middle latch and it has a middle hook, and it's also stamped secured by design. It has also a bottom roller and a bottom hook. This is then extended. Once it's all fitted, everything's all adjusted and tested to make sure it's smooth and fully operational. We then ask the client to check and test the door until they're happy. Thank you for watching Liberty Locksmiths' latest video.